Oh.
Did you not see the camera pointed right at you? Welcome back to the Rim Vlog. Welcome back to the beach cleaning. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. We're on day number 6. I can't believe I made it all the way to day number 6. There's still a day 7, but I can't believe it I've made it this far. I almost didn't make it because I forgot to set my alarm last night, but I still woke up somehow, got down here just in time to see the sunrise. Today, I think we're gonna have a very special guest. So stay tuned. Clean beach, here we come. Captain Puerto Rico to the rescue. That was a quick one. First bag filled up. It only took, I don't know, 17 minutes, not even, to fill that up. That was pretty quick. My special guest has yet to arrive, but that's okay. I got one bag done and at least 3 more to go. Feels pretty good out here. Sun feels pretty decent, even though it was 42 degrees this morning. Not as bad as it was yesterday, but still kind of chilly for California. All right, just as bag number 2 starts getting underway, my special guest has arrived. This is gonna be exciting. My special guest, I have to warn you, is a raging lunatic, but Jesus Christ, he's a cute fucking raging lunatic. There he is, my special guest today. Sup, buddy? Are you here to be my cameraman? My special guest today, I bet you thought it was gonna be her. She's a special guest, but he's the specialist guest. Iverson is here to help. Dude, I need my camera. Ladies and gentlemen, the special guest today, I told you it was Iverson, but Nicole's here. Finally, she's here.
Oh my gosh.
And we actually have some really sad news to break to you. So yesterday I got a phone call from the vet, and it turns out that this little guy right here has lymphoma cancer. So kind of sad around here, not just because this beach looks like shit, but because this little guy has cancer. But we're gonna go today, we're gonna get some more results, see if it's spread or not. I mean, he doesn't look like anybody who has cancer. He's as happy as can be. Anytime he sees a squirrel, he's a little puppy again. Are you the best puppy in the world? Yes, I am! Now that I have a little help, this shit's going by quick. We just finished up bag number 2. At least 2 more to go. Thanks to Iverson and Nicole, we're gonna clean this beach. Talk about a thirsty dog. acting all weird over here. What's going on? What did you find? Bag number 3 is in the book. Having Nicole and having Iverson out here is helping a ton. Thanks to my 2 helpers here, we have just finished bag number 3, and it's on to bag number 4. Did you notice where Nicole went? Oh, where'd Nicole go? I think it's time for you to go get Nicole. Ready? Go get Nicole. Go get her. Did you not see the camera pointed right at you?
No.
She just ran right into this thing.
I'm too focused on picking up trash.
Bag number 4 in the books. You got yourself a nice comfy bed? All right, so we've just filled up the 4th bag. I don't know if you can see behind me, but what do you call it? The beach patrol?
The lifeguard people.
Oh, that's better than the beach. The lifeguard people. That's way better than the beach patrol. What the? The lifeguard people seem to be behind me, and dogs aren't technically allowed on this beach, so hopefully they don't try to kick us out. They are going along the water right now, so maybe, just maybe, Iverson is hidden enough behind this cart that they don't notice him and they don't ask us to leave. But maybe we'll play the pity card since they see us cleaning up all this trash out here. All right, they just strolled on by. Bag number 5. We have just completed trash bag number 6. What a great job we did today.
I didn't know we were going for the low.
She didn't hit the low part.
I didn't know.
Can we try that again? It's been day number 6. I'm tired. She's tired too after one day of doing this.
I I've been working.
And she didn't get down here until about an hour and a half till after I got down here. This has been day 6 of the Rim Vlog beach cleanup project. Come back tomorrow and join us. Join us, right? You'll be down here tomorrow? She says yes, but we'll see. But we'll be down here, clean up the beach, come join us. Thanks for watching the vlog. Thanks for maybe liking it, and thanks for possibly subscribing. Catch you on the flip side. Say bye, Ive.